The clock starts the second these go green. Let's go. Neither vehicle is allowed to speed, nor perform any illegal maneuvers. The bike has to follow the speed limit as well, but it can use the bus lane and it can filter, just to make it interesting.
On speed. That's allowed to speed.
Because we know if I could just open the taps on the bike, of course it would be faster.
In the car I'd be stuck behind her, but I'm able to use the bus lane, because as you can see on the sign, I can use the bus lane.
So, you know, if I were on the bike, I could use the bus lane and get around this absolute lunatic that's doing 30 on a 40 road. There are snails in my garden that move quicker than this.
If I lose this race on the bike, I'm going to have to delete my YouTube channel. I cannot in good conscience have a motorcycle related YouTube channel where the bikes get beaten by the cars.
Oh no, please don't tell me that's the swing bridge. If you don't know, there's a bridge in Bristol designed by a guy called Brunel, and he's hailed as this brilliant inventor. And one of the things he made is this bridge. And what happens is, every now and again, some idiot in a boat will decide that they want to come into Bristol and ruin everybody's day. And I think that's what's happened. I'm being overtaken by cyclists! 13 minutes and 15 seconds so far, and this is about the halfway point.
We're currently at 9:43, so we are doing well. We are beating the car. But it's early days yet, it could still win later on. Because now there's no more bus lanes. I'm relying purely on my ability to filter in order to get ahead.
Do you know that they recently did a test and found that the traffic in Bristol was the second worst in the UK? The only place in the UK that's worse for traffic than Bristol is London. Says it all, doesn't it, really? I also recently found out that nobody in Bristol actually has a driver's license.
40 is the limit, so cannot accelerate beyond this.
No, no. Get out of my way. I'm doing racing right now. And you are in the way.
Don't look at the woman running. How beautiful she is. It doesn't matter right now. You're racing.
Oh my God, you absolute lunatic. That guy obviously just thought, I've lived long enough. I'm done. That's how I want to go out. I want to be splayed across the road by a tiny YouTuber.
You think it's going to be such a clear-cut and easy race, but it's not.
Ah, the bus. For when you want to be late, but with other people.
These people just screaming in the comments like, oh, just get up there and just zoom it. Yeah, mate, I'm trying to do this in a responsible way, okay? I'm trying to do it in a legal way as well, just to prove legally which way is better.
I have literally had dental appointments that have been more exciting than this. This is what I don't get. Like, what is the point of having a nice car? If you're buying a Lamborghini or a McLaren or something of that ilk to drive it around Bristol, you're an idiot. Because you can't do more than 10 miles an hour anyway.
This is the problem, right? We're now past rush hour, but we are right in the middle of work hours. So all the people in Bristol with the big vans and trucks and stuff, they're all out now. They're all out and using their vans. It's a lot easier to filter past cars and bikes and stuff on these little narrow roads than it is these big boys.
Oh, again. I'm sick of seeing these bright red lights telling me to stop. The evil robot from Space Odyssey, Hal, wasn't he just a red light? I think that was a sign of things to come.
I think rather than trying to filter, I'm going to have to take this one at a time. Just get past the big boys one at a time. That's the only thing I can do.
Not again. This is painful. I cannot afford to be stopping at every red light right now. The only solace I can take is the fact that the bike has to stop at red lights too. It's the great equalizer.
If I was going to hazard a guess, 24.51, I think we're about level pegging with the car. And the thing is, I didn't stop at this light on the car, and I don't think I stopped in traffic either. This is going to be super, super close.
I don't know how this is going to go. We're nearly there now. It's a very tense moment because the bike might already be there.
We could definitely lose this by traffic and red lights. The red lights are not being my friends right now. And Gary here's going to get his lunch, and that's held us up by another minute. Thanks, Gary.
The only thing I can tell you is we're currently at 34 minutes and I've spent approximately 30 of those minutes sat at red traffic lights. You ever see that film I Am Legend with Will Smith? That is my dream. Just nobody. Shame about the vampires though, I guess, but I'd rather vampires than people.
Oh my god, this is going to be so close. Oh my god.
I see the Costa sign. I see the Costa sign. We've nearly done it. No! No! I cannot afford this right now. We've got a pensioner in a Mitsubishi Colt.
Cannot lose because I promised I'd delete my channel. I might sell my motorcycle. More delays! I cannot afford delays! Delayed by a Toyota Hybrid!
And stop the clock. 35 minutes and 59 seconds. Call it 36 minutes. 35:59. I don't know how this will have gone. Let's go find out.
I do not know. Stop the bike, stop the bike, stop the bike, stop the bike. 31:24. I don't know what I was panicking about. I'm gonna go in and have a coffee. Once I wait for the car to turn up. Easy.